Hello students, myself Ashish Chawla, and today we discuss some terms related to triangles. Some important terms which are related to triangles. Now the first of all, that is median. What do you mean median? Suppose there is a triangle ABC. Now if I connect this vertex A to the midpoint of the opposite side, that is BC, let the midpoint of the opposite side BC is D. Now if I connect the vertex A to the midpoint of the opposite side, then this line AD is called the median. Here AD is worked as AD is median because it divides opposite sides into equal parts. Into equal parts. That is BD equals to DC. That is called median. Now the next important term. So in triangle we have three medians. Let's say this is a triangle ABC. Let's say AD is a median which divides BC into two equal parts, and there is a median BE which divides AC into two equal parts, and there is a median CF which divides AB into two equal parts. Now where these three median intersect each other, this point, let's say G, this point, the point of intersection of median, is called centroid. Point of intersection of median is called centroid. So here G is a centroid. The one more important fact is that the centroid divide the median divide the median in the ratio 2:1. It means that is AG is to GD is equals to 2:1. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Now we come to the next point, next term, that is altitude. Altitude. What do you mean by altitude? Suppose there is a triangle ABC. Now from this vertex, if I drop a perpendicular to the opposite side, from the vertex I drop a perpendicular to the opposite side. Let's say this is the perpendicular to the opposite side, let it AD. Now here AD is a altitude because it is making 90 degree to the opposite side. Okay, so AD here is altitude because it is making 90 degree on the opposite side, that is BC. So AD is the altitude. Altitude means the line drawn from the vertex which is making 90 degree to the opposite side is called altitude. Now let's say there is a triangle ABC. Now from this vertex A I drop a altitude or perpendicular, let's say it is AD. From vertex B I drop a perpendicular to the opposite side AC, that is BE. Now from vertex C I drop a perpendicular to the opposite side, that is CF. Now where all three altitudes meets, let's say this point is O. Now the point of intersection of all the altitudes in a triangle is known as orthocenter. Point of intersection all altitudes of triangle is known as ortho, and it must be remembered that in acute triangle orthocenter orthocenter lie within a circle, within a triangle, within a triangle, while in obtuse triangle orthocenter lie outside the triangle, outside the triangle, while in the case of right angle triangle, in right triangle orthocenter lie at the point lie at the point where right angle is made, where right angle is made in a triangle. Now we come to the next term, that is called angle bisector. Angle bisector. What do you mean by angle bisector? Suppose we have a triangle. If I draw a line from vertex A which bisects the angle A, is known as angle bisector. There is a line drawn from the vertex A which bisects the angle A, is known as angle bisector. So AD is angle bisector because AD bisect the angle A. So that's why AD is known as angle bisector. Now in triangle we have three angle bisectors. So there is a triangle ABC. We have AD is the angle bisector which bisects angle A. We have BE. B is the angle bisector which bisects angle B. And we have angle CF, angle bisector CF which bisects angle C. So the point of intersection of all the angle bisector is called incenter. Point of intersection of all angle bisector of triangle is known as incenter. Incenter. Now we come to the another term, that is fourth one, that is called the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of triangle means, let's say we have a triangle A, B, C. Now let's say the midpoint of BC is let's say D, and we draw a line which is perpendicular to BC. So this line is called the perpendicular bisector. If we draw a line from the midpoint of the one side of a triangle and it is perpendicular as well, so this line is called the perpendicular bisector of this line BC. Same way, let's say we have point E, there is a midpoint of AC, and from E I draw a perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular bisector. Now from this, let's say this is point F, which is the midpoint of AB. Now from this point I draw a perpendicular where all the perpendicular meet this point. This point is known as the circumcenter of this triangle. The point of intersection. The point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of triangle is known as circumcenter. where all the perpendicular bisector meets. This point is known as the circumcenter. Now we study one more important property of median, that is median divide triangle into two triangles which are equal in areas. मीडियन क्या करता है, मीडियन ट्राइंगल्स को दो ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड करेगा और वो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया सेम होगा. मीडियन डिवाइड्स triangle into two triangles which are equal in area. Let's say we have a triangle ABC and we have a median AD. AD is a median, so BD equals to DC. So the area of triangle ABD is equals to the area of triangle ADC. If AD is median, then we can say that the area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC, because median divides the triangle into two triangles which are equal in areas. So by using this property we can do one problem. Let's say we have a triangle A, B, C and AD is a median and E is the midpoint of AD. It is given to you. In this question we are given AD is median, AD is median and E is midpoint of AD. So find area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ABE. We have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ABE. Now, solution. Now it is given in this question that AD is a median. Because AD is a median, so we can say that BD is equals to DC. Again, in this question, in the same question, it is given that E is a midpoint of AD. So AE equals to ED. Or we can say BE is worked as a median in triangle ABD. BE is median in triangle ABD. So as we know that the median divides the triangle ABD into two triangles which are equal in areas. Let's say the triangle ABE is x square unit. So in the same way, the triangle BD is also x square units. We know that the median divides the triangle into two triangles which are equal in areas. So these two triangles are having same areas, that is x square units, is also x square units. Now we can say that area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle BDE, which is equals to x square unit. Now therefore area of triangle ABD is 2x square unit. Now in triangle ABC we see that the AD is a median. So in triangle ABC AD is median. Therefore area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC, because area of triangle ABD is 2x, so therefore ADC is also 2x square units. So area of triangle ADC is also 2x unit. So from this figure we can say that area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ABE. The area of triangle ABC is 4x square units and the area of triangle AB is x square units. So answer is 4 is to 1. So answer is 4 is to 1. Now we come some important facts which is Let's come in triangle. Some important facts regarding triangle. The first fact is that the sum of two sides of triangle is always greater than the third side. Always greater than the third side. The sum of the two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. That is, if we ask that can we make a triangle with the sides 5, 3 or 8? Okay. First we check, let's say 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 is 8, which is equals to the third side, not greater than the third side. So we cannot make the triangle because because sum of two sides is because here the sum of the two sides is equal to the third side. So that's why we are not able to make the triangle. Now let's say another example. If we have sides, let's say 3, 4 and 5, can we make a triangle? Let's say check. Now that we take first two sides, 3 plus 4, that is 7, which is greater than 5. Correct. Now let's say we take 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 9, which is greater than 3. Okay. Now let's say we check 3 and 5. It is greater than 4. That is 3 plus 5, 8 is greater than 4. So here the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Therefore, we can make the triangle. We can make the triangle. Now, the next important fact regarding triangle, that difference of two sides is always smaller than the third side. The difference of the two sides is always smaller than the third side. Now let's say if you have a question, the two sides of triangle are 8, 9, then the number of integral value for the third side, then the number of integral values for the third side. In this question, we have given two sides of a triangle, that is 8 and 9, and we have to find how many possible values for the third side is possible. That is integral values only. So we apply these two conditions. That is, first one is the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Let's assume that the third side is x. Let's assume that third side is equals to x unit. So the sum of the two sides, that is 8 plus 9, should be greater than the third side. So x is smaller than 17, and we also know that the difference of the two sides, that is 9 minus 8, is smaller than the third side, that is x. So x should be greater than 1. So from these two statements, I can say that x is greater than 1 but less than 17. From 1 and 2, we can say that x is greater than 1 but less than 17. So the possible values of x are integral values. So possible integral value of x are, that is 17 minus 1, that is 16, that is 15. So 15 possible values are there. So possible integral values of x are, possible number of integral values, sorry, possible number of integral values of x are 15. There are 15 values of x which are possible. Now the next point. The next point is the angle opposite to the larger angle is the angle in triangle side opposite to larger angle is larger. In triangle, the side opposite to larger angle is larger. That is, if it is given that in triangle ABC, AB is greater than, let's say it is given that angle B is greater than angle C, it is given. So we can say that the side opposite, as angle B is larger than angle C, so the side opposite to angle B, that is AC, is larger than the side opposite to angle C, that is AB. We can say that AC is greater than AB. Let's say we do question 1. Let's say in triangle ABC, we have angle A 70 degree, angle B 60 degree. Then arrange the sides in ascending order. So to do this problem, first of all we will find the third angle. That is, third angle is angle C, which is equals to 180 minus 70 plus 60, which is comes to be 50 degree. So first of all we arrange the angles in ascending order. Now first of all the angle C is smaller than angle B, and angle B is smaller than angle A. So the side opposite to angle C is smaller because it is the smallest angle. So the side opposite to angle C is AB, and smaller angle B. Angle B, the side opposite to angle B is AC, and the side opposite to angle A is BC. So this is the ascending order of the sides. The next property of triangle is, if we have given three sides of a triangle, let's say ABC are three sides of a triangle. Now if we know that, let's say if the square of the larger side, let's say C, let's say that C is the larger side, then if C square is equals to A square plus B square, then we can say that triangle is right angle triangle, because it is a condition of Pythagoras theorem, that is the side of the larger side square is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we can say with these three sides we can form a right triangle. Now if C square is greater than A square plus B square, then we can say the triangle is obtuse. Now if C square is smaller than A square plus B square, then we can say triangle is acute. Let's take an example. Let's say if you have sides 8, 7 and 10. With these three sides, which type of triangles can be formed? So 10 is the larger, we can take 10 square, that is 100. Now 8 square plus 7 square, which is comes to be 64, plus 49, which is comes to be 113. Now so we can clearly visible that the 8 square plus 7 square is greater than the 10 square. So we can say an acute triangle is formed. Acute triangle is formed because 8 square plus 7 square is greater than 10 square. Now, let's say one more example. Let's say we have side 3, 4, and 6. With this type, now greater side is 6, so 6 square is 36. Now the other side squares, that is 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, which is equals to 25. What we see that the square of 6 is greater than 3 square plus 4 square. So we can say an obtuse triangle is formed. This triangle is formed. So with the help of sides, we can decide which type of triangle it is. Okay, thank you.